Hi friends, welcome to Life Manifestation. Today we can see about the pillow manifestation method or the pillow method. 6 easy steps to manifest as you sleep. Manifestation is the heart of bringing your dreams into reality using the power of your thoughts and emotions. The pillow method is a manifestation technique used to manifest your goals and intention in your life and is very simple to use. Write a goal or affirmation down on a piece of paper. Place it underneath your pillow. Go to sleep without a worry and charge a goal with positive energy using visualization before going straight to sleep. When we sleep, our thoughts and consciousness are still going. Clarify your goal. We can use the pillow method to manifest anything we wish. It could be a physical thing we want, a feeling we want to have, or something we want to happen. The first thing is that we should be clear on what we want. Take time to get very specific on your goal. The secret to success with manifestation is that you are in the right energetic vibration. Aim for the vibration of optimism, excitement, and positive anticipation. What we give out, we will get back. When you first start manifesting, start with something small. Starting small will mean it's believable for you. Once you have had some success, you'll start to see how easy and powerful manifestation can be. This will strengthen and expand your belief and then begin to ask for bigger things. Write your goal down. Once you are clear on your goal, write it on a piece of paper in the form of a positive statement. Write your goal in the present tense as if you have already have it now. Add some gratitude to your statements. Example, thank you universe for giving me a loving partner. He is caring, creative and considerate person. Get ready for sleep. Now you have got your goal written down. Get yourself ready to go to sleep. You can either hold your piece of paper next to your heart or put it under your pillow or in your pillowcase. Get yourself into a comfortable position, lying down with your palms open and facing up. Close your eyes and take a couple of deep breaths. Gratitude. Spend a couple of minutes thinking of things you are gratitude for today. They can be big or small. For example, thank you for the rain that watered my plant today. Visualize your goal. Start to think about your goal. Spend about 5 to 10 minutes visualizing your goal. Bring your goal to life and create a picture in your mind. Imagine that you have your goal in the present tense and use all your senses to bring it to life. Create a visual imprint in your mind. Run through your visualization for 2 to 3 times so that you can become familiar with it. Go to sleep, relax your energy, and go to sleep. Let yourself float into sleep and dreaming. Let the magic of manifestation begin. Do this every night till you achieve your goal. When we are asleep, our thoughts, our consciousness, and our superconscious are still going and are manifesting through our dreams. It charges our goals, intention with positive energy and sends a clear message out to the universe about what we want and primes the unconscious mind what to focus on while we are sleeping. Thank you, friends. Please subscribe my channel.